Now I know the road to play the maintenance my car. You can see this Tuhu app is very good. You can choose whatever brand you want. You can see there are Chinese brand and also get the foreign brands for you to choose. So convenient and the tire of something the parts. Just if you OBD tested what kind of parts is wrong, you can just choose directly here and choose the brands you want and directly. So it's very cheap, and with the labor it's very cheap. Everything is cheap. Just choose whatever you want, just match. And also you first enter your car's information details and then the car VIN number, and they will match for the compatible oil and parts, so you don't need to worry to mix up or whether it is compatible with your car. So you can see it's very cheap with Chinese brand as well. I use Chinese brands and Chinese all kind of Chinese stuff. Disc brake, this all Chinese one also okay. So it's very cheap now for my BMW, my car to Zhuhai for maintenance. It's very cheap. So it's good. This Macau car to North scheme is very good for me and very convenient, so that I can go to change all the things in my and in China mainland Zhuhai. So great, so convenient comparing to Macau. It's very cheap here. It's just 5 to 10 times more expensive in Macau. Maybe Macau's labors more expensive and the parts are imported from the foreign countries directly. So no more choice, but here is a lot of choice like this. You know, the thermostat is just 400 and 300. 400 is the temp, the Shanghai temp Chinese one, and I did change the Macau is the around 4,000 Macau tickets. So here plus the labor just 600. So you can see it's just 6 to 7 times even the thermostat comparing to here to in Macau. So everything, the spark plugs and then the ignition coil and the gaskets, all kind of things that you can change here. So if your car having that kind of changing the parts or something and the maintenance oil change, you can just use Tuhu here. It's very convenient, or use Jingdong Tmall. But if your car needs to be diagnosed, it's like oil leaking and then the crankshaft or the camshaft, those kind of big repairing which require a lot of technical engineers, so that you need to go to the normal 4S or normal car repair shop, outside car repair shop, because Tuhu cannot have that kind of technology and technique to help you. So just parts changing and normal maintenance here is okay.